friends, myself Dr. Harmeet Goyal. I am a gynecologist and I am an OBS gynae faculty also. So today I will be talking about the vaccination against cancer cervix. This is a very important topic for vaccinating and protecting our future generation against some of the various cancers caused by human papilloma virus. Also, this video is going to create awareness in the normal public by involving the youngsters and the doctors so that they create awareness and they are making the people ready for vaccination against various cancers. In that, the cancer cervix is most important. So this is very sensitive topic, vaccination against cancer cervix, because in a Indian population, creating awareness is not so simple task. But I will try my best to make the public aware about the cancer cervix, and also the vaccine is when available to protect the future population against the human papilloma virus, which is the causative agent and the risk factors for various cancers. Okay. So vaccination against cancer cervix. The cause for cancer cervix is human papilloma virus 1618, which is a DNA virus. What this virus does is it infects the epithelial cells of the cervix and cause certain changes, which is called as dysplasia in the medical terms. And these cells become vulnerable for developing the cancer cervix in future. So the dysplasia in normal cells of the cervix leads to certain changes which are called as precancerous conditions and finally leads to cancer cervix. But the advantage is that cancer cervix, it is highly preventable cancer as it has got a long pre-invasive stage, and the vaccine given in the pre-invasive stage is very effective. That means creating the awareness by educating the people, then doing the screening test in the susceptible population, that is pap smear should be started, which is a screening test at 21 years of age in a sexually active female, and this screening should extend up to 65 years of age, and then we can stop. That I will be talking about in a separate video of cancer cervix later on. Now, vaccine is available against human papilloma virus. Human papilloma virus is known to cause various cancers. So the name of the vaccine is Gardasil, which is a quadrivalent vaccine that is effective against HPV 6 and 11, which is known to cause genital warts, 16 and 18. So there are 4 strains. That is why it is called as quadrivalent vaccine. This is the vaccine. Next is Cervarix vaccine, which is a bivalent vaccine that is against 2 strains, human papilloma virus 16 and 18. Now there is a new vaccine which is available with the name of Gardasil 9. This is a nonavalent vaccine. Nonavalent means 9 strains. That is 6, 11, 16, 18, 31, 33, 45, 52, and 58. Okay, so nonavalent vaccine. Now, what are the age group in which this vaccination schedule should be done? So, the vaccination schedule is in 9 to 26 years of age. 9 years to 26 years of age, whereas the WHO recommends 11 to 12 years is an ideal age. So this vaccine is applicable between 9 years of age to 26 years of age, and preferably before the sexual activity starts. Now this vaccine is given only in females? No. WHO says the vaccine should be given in the females as well as
males. Let's see why in males also this vaccination is important. So there's a blog that parents should protect their children against the various cancers. This is by creating awareness, by doing the vaccination. Okay, so HPV is a risk factor for cancer cervix. It is proven 90% of the cases of cancer cervix has human papilloma virus 16 and 18 infection. And this human papilloma virus is also a risk factor for vulval and vaginal cancers. So vaccination in females in preventing cancer cervix, vulval and vaginal cancers. Why this is important to do vaccination in the boys or the males? Because human papilloma virus is also a risk factor for oropharynx cancer, for anal cancer, and for penile cancer. So males as well as females both should be vaccinated. Now also this video will be incomplete without the promotion of the fact safe sex. Protect yourself and your partner. So use condoms. So there should be so much of promotion of the barrier contraceptive to prevent, because barrier contraceptive prevents STDs, HIV, PID, AIDS, and human papilloma virus is sexually transmitted virus. So do not, in the nutshell, do not forget to spread awareness. Do vaccinate the boys and girls in your family, in your neighborhood, in your friends, in your relatives, etc. by creating awareness, by asking them to get vaccination done from the doctor. So pediatrician, gynecologists, general physicians, all are working to vaccinate the future population against this virus, human papilloma virus. So protect, aware, vaccinate. Awareness, vaccination, protection. Thank you.